Hey guys, Rene Bruin back with you. It's been a long time since I've been on a video. I'm here down at Burrow Beach in Sutton. Ireland's Eye in the background, Lamb Bay. Gonna get some new videos and some new drone footage because it's been a while, as I said. And yes, my goatee's gone. I have more chins than a Chinese phone book.
You're watching Rene Bruin, the official channel.
Shots fired. So in other news, very quickly, as I mentioned, I'm going to be displaying at the Milano Photo Awards in September 2026, which happens during the Milan Fashion Week. So happy with that. Yes, I do have more than one Rammstein t-shirt, especially since my birthday is coming up and my beautiful partner bought me some more Rammstein tops, a beautiful Hawaiian style shirt and a hoodie. So yeah, that's why I joked before. People always say, oh, it's the Rammstein photographer, because they always see me in videos with Rammstein tops on. But more importantly, Friday week, and this should be going out on Tuesday the 27th, 28th. Friday week, 7th of August, I'm going to Paris for my birthday. And between you and me, I hope to get a bit of photography in when I'm done with her. So obviously it needs to be romantic as well, and see what else is happening. But yeah, definitely hoping to get a bit of photography in. I'm going to visit the Leica store in Paris. So enough, I'm going to show you the photos after, but for now I'm going to get to drone.